and executed on database product. After execution, your procedure will not return any value. There is no return statement inside the procedure. That we call it as a procedure. Quite opposite to procedure, we call it as a function where return type is available. That's the meaning of it. Procedures are categorized into two types: in parameter procedure and out parameter procedure. The procedure which take the data from Java program and update the database tables, we are calling it as in parameter procedures. The procedure which take the data from database tables and send to the Java program, we are calling it as out parameter procedures. In out parameter procedure, we have to specify register out parameter. One method is there. You are expecting a question on it. Register out parameter method will specify what type of data should be recorded to that field. That only yesterday's diagram I drawn to you to make you to visualize how it is. The diagram. Hope I pasted yesterday, I think. So one diagram is in parameter. The processor is taking the data from Java program and updating the database table. We call it as in parameter. Out parameter means the data is taking the data from the database tables. I drawn some circles, no? That is called register out parameters. The data will come and register there or record there. From there, we are collecting the data. That is the information to you. Now, finally, you had one assignment with you based on procedure. One assignment is creating employee details with insert. How many of you executed this assignment? Raise your hands once, right? If it is not executing, drop it and again you change the name and do it slowly. Okay, right. Now, here, yesterday, how many of you done out parameter? Anybody tried out parameter? Right, okay. Because taking the parameters will be very hard actually. So for that, patience needed. Instead of writing, patience. Take different variables and you try once. I'll give the solution here because only two programs know. I'll give it anyway. Today's class is today we are working on functions. We are working. Right. Make it star mark IMP. Creating and executing. Not coming. Creating and executing functions and functions. Creating and executing functions. Function means return type will be there. Creating and executing functions. Right. Creating and executing functions we are writing. Now look here. Function one syntax is there. We are working with customer details we are working anyway. So any one retrieval process here based on customer ID, I want to display any one. Actual return type means only one value you can take it. Only one value you can take out. You cannot take more than one value. So based on customer ID, I will display the mail ID. I will display mail ID is a string, no? So let me display that mail ID. I will try it. Okay, right. Based on customer ID, I want to see his mail ID or phone number. Phone number is a long and customer ID is a mail ID. I'll display the mail ID. Okay, right, roughly. Okay, right. Function means any one return type. Any one return type only it will come. Function. Out parameter means more number you can take out. That is the advantage of out parameter. Only single value means that is function. So based on customer ID, I want to see the mail ID of an customer. I want to see the mail ID of an customer. Make it step 1. Construct function to retrieve mail ID of an customer based on customer ID. Construct function to retrieve mail ID of an customer based on customer ID. Based on customer ID. Based on customer ID. Right. So whenever you want to construct one function, the syntax I given to you already. Function syntax is given. See their function syntax. The function syntax. Create or replace a function. Create or replace a function. This is right. Here function name, you don't write 2 minutes, you don't write. So function looks bit clumsy will be there here. See there. Function name I am taking. Now retrieve retrieve mail ID. Some MID I am taking. Right. MID 52 or 53 or 52. Always I am giving one number. 52. Retrieve mail ID anyway. So parameter I am taking. So parameter is customer ID. Okay, right. Parameter is customer ID. So CID that is varchar2. You must say the customer no, right? Customer ID is varchar2. Here retrieve process. Retrieve. So select here. Now select star from customer contact 52. This is customer ID. This is mail ID. So select customer, sorry, select MID. Select MID into some variable MD. I will take it. Select MID into MD from customer address 52, where customer ID is equal to CID. This is what customer contact 52, where customer ID is equal to CID. Now this MID stored into MD, no? So your variable name is MD. There is a selection we done. Okay, right. Now you are returning this MID is varchar. Yes or no, na? Mail ID. So you are returning what now? I am returning varchar2. I am returning. So return data type is that only varchar2. You are returning from which variable you are returning now? I am returning from MD, this variable. This is a return type variable. We are returning MD, our variable. What is the data type of this now? Again, Where char2, that is a way of writing. So this is right. Write it all of you. If not, let me compile once. Ah, 1 minute. Select. Where is the table? Customer contact. Customer contact. CID is what now? Var char2. Return var char2. MID var char2. Select MID. Select MID into MD from contact 52. Customer contact 52, where customer ID is equal to return MD. One minute. I'll take number. 1 minute. Number. Here P number. Number. Where RE three great. I'm trying with number. Instead of returning varchar, I'm returning number. I'm trying to return number. There is a problem with varchar. That some data types will be there. I'll cross check it out. Varchar will be there. There some versions are available no for you, right? Anyway, so take this and write it number. I'm returning a number. I must cross check with Oracle trainer with versions. Varchar, some varchar also versions are there no for you. Construct function to retrieve. I'm changing the question. Phone number of an customer based on customer ID. I took phone number. Return time I'm taking number. Right. So commit. Step 2. Construct JDBC application to execute function to execute function. Right. Generally in our language, if you take any method as a return type, suppose if we take our program, suppose if we take our method int add int a comma int b return return a plus b. So this is one method for you. This method also return type method only, no, right? We are returning adding of two numbers or not now. So whenever you want to write that, how you will write it now, sir? I will write int c is equal to ob dot add of some 12 comma 13. We are passing. So we are passing one parameter here. This is parameter. You know already. And the result will come on to here. Sir, this is one result. This is one result. So there is one parameter. This is one result. You know, it returns the value from RHS to LHS. Here also, our procedure taking the parameter CID and returning the phone number. Taking customer ID and returning the phone number. Okay, right. How the syntax will be there like this. Sir, I am taking one project here. JDBC application 11 I am taking. So some function I am taking. Right click, build path, configure build path, add external jar, OJDBC6, click on apply, apply and close. New and package test. Click on finish. Some delete this. Under test now, new and class dbcon 11. You had it. Here import java.sql. Import java.util. Can write it. Scanner yes is equal to new scanner of system dot in try of s end of try with resource try and catch exception e dot print stack trace. Here the customer ID. Enter it. Now string customer ID is equal to S dot next line. Now establish the connection here. Establish the connection. The connection. Your callable. Callable statement. Callable statement CS is equal to con dot prepare call. We are taking. So here double quotes call. Daily you are saying call. Where is this? Call. What is the function name here now? Retrieve PH number. RETRIEVE. RETRIEVE. Retrieve PH number 52. How many parameters now? Only one parameter. Now here, whenever you are saying a parameter here, you must say the return type, no? Two parts, no? You must write equal to or not now, right? So here also, we'll write colon. This is equal to and question mark. So this function will take the parameter and returns the value. How many parameter indexes are there now? Two parameter indexes, this one. So here, first let me cross check it is working or not, because, right. Now, first one is you're registering the data. So CS dot register out parameter index 1. What you are registering now? Phone number. Phone number means types dot long. Long not there. You must write it as big integer. You must write. Now CS dot set string. You are setting the value. Parameter index 2. You are setting. Now CS dot execute. You are executing. After execution now, system dot out dot print ln. You are displaying the data now. So customer ID you are displaying. Customer ID. Whatever you entered, that is a customer ID. And system dot out dot print ln. So this is phone number. You had it. Phone number is nothing but CS dot get long from parameter index 1. Right. So what is here now? Commit. So E102 is there. E102. Sir, E102. Phone number is coming or not now, right? Okay. So customer ID, phone number is coming. Okay, right. Look here. Now here, what happened in this statement? Here, in this. Here. One callable statement object. Callable statement object. Sir, some 0x45 roughly. This is how many fields are there now? Two fields. the two fields. This is 1 and this is 2. This is for this one and this is for this one. Whenever you say, this is the two lines. One is register out parameter. Register out parameter. This is register out parameter. Is not there. Huh? Right. So register out parameter, this one. You are going to register out parameter here, means the value will come to here. This is register out. What value you are going to register here now? Sir, we are going to register big integer value. Means the data will come and fall here. That's the meaning. You are going to set the value here. Set the value here. Here we set it. E1 or 2, we set it. Now, which one is executed first now, sir? RHS is executed first. That part executed first. Then it returns the value. The value will be registered there. That's the concept. All of you understood register out parameter, right? Function is used when we want to take a single value. When we want to take a single value. But in real time, we use procedures only. Out parameter procedure, we use it. Because out parameter procedure flexibility is what? You can take a single value, you can take multiple values. So procedures are popular to you. So functions will be used in a rare case where we want to take a single value. If you want to see one single value, you can take a function. That's a point. Moreover, here it is working for numeric. Observed or not now? Maybe the varchar version may be there. I must speak to your Oracle trainer once today. Anyone, Vijay Kumar or Ladda sir, I'll speak it. So I'll take a feedback from them once. What this varchar, I got error today, no, varchar, return type. And so now they are also having versions, no. So we are, developers will not look into them. So they had their, if they are in, they had their own versions. Example, if you take Java, 17 is there, 18 is there, 19 is there. Like this, they had their own enhancements are coming, no. So any specific reason is there, I'll inquire it and I'll say to you. If not, you also can ask. Nothing is there. You are part of PLSQL training there. Under PLSQL procedure is there. In function, whenever we take a varchar, is there any error comes or not, you can cross check it. In your general SQL practice also, you can cross check it. If it is working, then it will work here. If you make it to work in your SQL command line, it will work here. You can try that. For me, number is working here. So I am retrieving the customer number based on your customer ID. Got the clarity? Right. So this is function. So step 2, running it. Hope you recorded this function, I think. Okay. And this is the program, the syntax. All of you understood the syntax, everyone? Right. Okay. So program is dbcon11.java, and the output I am retrieving based on that customer ID. I am retrieving the data on customer ID. I am retrieving data, followed by, I'll paste one diagram, just visualizing the location in the customer. Okay. You are working always employee details you are working, no? Based on that one function you write it. In that employee details for you, maybe. Right. Total salary is there, no? Right. Just to display the total salary, only one single, and also number you try it. Okay, right. Make one assignment. All of you understood this function? Right, okay. Same, look above one and try it. assignment, construct and execute function to retrieve EMP total salary based on EMP ID, based on employee ID, based on employee ID. So I worked with the customer. You are working with the employee. That only, right? In customer, I used in parameter. I asked you to try in parameter in the employee. Customer, I tried out parameter. I asked to try one out parameter in the employee. Today, I retrieved phone number by using function. You retrieve your total salary using function. So this is the assignment problem. Okay, right? Like this, 3 assignments are there with you. So this is one assignment. This totally one single concept only. Anyway, procedure and function. And one assignment on your student details is there. One assignment on registration is there. User registration like this. 3 are available with you. Right. Who completed that student details? Anybody raise your hands? Trying? Right. Okay. Anybody completed user registrations? Raise your hands. Okay. Right. Those are the points. Now look here. Core Java, advanced Java. This is Java only, sir. But 2 parts, core and advanced. These 2 are fundamentals. Generally, you never work on them. For more number of years, you cannot work on them. Entry point will be core or advanced. Because of this reason, some people will say, advanced Java outdated. No, sir. Some people will ask that question also for us. Why they'll ask that question means on advanced Java profile will not be there. So, but they'll give a fundamental to you, right? Okay. Today, using core Java, one collection framework is there. Java collection framework is there. Before coming to Java collection framework, you had concepts and components. Some core Java related things are available. You can say core Java related things plus Java collection framework plus in advanced Java today, JDBC of 3 statements. What are the 3 statements today now? Statement, prepared statement, callable statement. Sir, using that 3 statements, I can do some operations on the database. Sir, I know core Java components. I know Java collection framework. I know JDBC 3 statements. Now you are eligible for ORM tools from today. From today onwards, you are eligible for ORM tools, object relation mapping tools. The best example for ORM tool is Hibernate with JPA. So Java persistent API, we can say Hibernate with JPA is one example of your ORM tool. So with this basic knowledge, you can learn some ORM tools officially. Got it right? Now I am entering into last stage of JDBC. The last stage of JDBC is normal queries you are running. You know how to run normal queries. You know how to run normal procedure, normal function, you know, right? Why we are giving a knowledge in a normal format? The reason, if you take one project, the project will be code writer will be there. One code writer. You are the code writer. With you, some persons are available to you. UI engineer will be there. DB engineer will be there. Testing engineer will be there. Deployment and maintenance also engineers will be there. So you are the major, remaining all sub engineers available to you. If DB engineer is there, he will help you. Writing queries, writing tables, and he will help you. Any UI engineer is there, he will help you. by creating pages and giving to you. These two persons, testing and deployment maintenance, they'll come in the last. These two people will be supporting. But you are full stack Java developer. Sir, I want to know what is happening in UI. I want to know what is happening in DB. That is one extra add-on feature to you. No need to be expert there. Because one more expert is entering into your company as a PLSQL engineer. One expert entering into your company as a UI full stack developer. He's coming with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, Node.js, React.js, Ruby on Rails, whatever the technology had, he will come in there and sit in your project. But whenever he created a page, you must understand, because you are updating yourself with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular in your stopping. So minimum thing I must understand, no, sir, because I am learning and going. Sir, I must understand minimum thing in database, no, sir. SQL, PLSQL, nested queries, views, triggers, joins, at least few terminology I am understanding and going into company. So with this, I coordinated with Java program. All of you understood? What is pending means stream with database. So loading streams onto database. That is the last part we had it. Make a siding. Streams with database. Star mark IMP. Streams with database. Streams with database. Streams with database. First, define stream. Normal definition. 730 people, don't be confused. That stream different, this stream different. Definition same only, their component, this is that only headache, and all where streams will be there. So I'm writing in the component. So definition, because 730 people are running with stream API. Define stream. Stream means flow. Here, flow of bits. Our stream API is flow of objects. Java people stream API is object will flow. Here stream means 0 and 1. So binary flow. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Flow is there. A continuous flow of data is known as stream. Write it. The continuous flow of data is known as stream. The continuous flow of data is known as stream. The continuous flow of data is known as stream. Right. Now our target is like this. Sir, this is one database table. We had it. Into 8. That many bits will be there. Byte means 8-bit, no? So this is our file available. This is our image. Now I want to store this image onto database. That only concept. I want to store that image onto database. That only stream with database. Means we are storing the stream onto database. Nothing but photographs. In the place of photograph, you can load audio, video, or any other animation, text file, all you can load it. So our ultimate target is multimedia data loading onto database. That is a major concept. That's called streams with database. The meaning is loading one image into database. Whenever you want to load one image into database, you cannot load it directly. Not possible. It should be converted into stream. That is a rule. It should be converted into stream. So you have to select one stream here. You have to select one stream. So the data will come in the form of a stream. Sir, what stream you have to select it? Then comes your types of streams in Java. Means Java language support what type of stream? Now 451781 KB data should flow onto database. When the flow is going on, the flow is going on in what format? That only. What stream the Java language support? So then you can say types of streams. Write it here. Types of streams. Streams in Java are categorized into two types. Streams in Java are categorized into two types. One, byte stream. One, byte stream. Second one is character stream. Byte stream and character stream. Byte stream and character stream. It supports two types. Means byte means 8-bit, 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 8-bit flow will be there. That's called byte stream. Stream means flow. What kind of flow means 8-bit flow? 8-bit will be going on. That is known as byte stream. Character stream means 16-bit. Character, what is the size of character? 2 bytes. 2 bytes means how many bits now? 16 bits. Character stream means 16-bit, 16-bit, 16-bit flow. We call it as character stream. Byte stream, character stream. Java language will support two streams, byte stream and character stream. Make it. That only in core Java, last chapter, IO streams and file chapter. The notes I am writing here. IO streams and files, one chapter will be there for you. Right. The continuous flow of data in the form of 8 bits. The continuous flow of data in the form of 8 bits is known as byte stream, or you can say binary stream. Other name is binary stream. The continuous flow of data in the form of 8 bits is known as byte stream, or you can say binary stream. You can say byte stream, or you can say binary stream. Now, sir, you are sending this photograph in the form of byte stream or binary stream. Any one stream you have to send it. Through byte stream, what kind of data you can send it? You can send it text data, means you can upload the resumes. Text data means resume, no? Right. So text data you can send. Image data you can send. Audio data you can send. Video data you can send. Animation data you can send. Through byte stream, we can send all multimedia data like text, audio, video, image, and animation. What are the files available in your system? You can send it through byte stream. Make a statement. Byte stream supports. Byte stream supports all multimedia data formats. All multimedia data formats like like text, audio, video, image, and animation. So byte will support all. Byte stream will support all formats. In real time, we use byte stream only. We never use character stream because byte stream supports all formats. If you upload images, byte stream. Upload resumes, byte stream. Upload your video, byte stream. Byte stream supports all type of data. Now, character stream here. Character stream. The continuous flow of data in the form of 16 bits. The continuous flow of data in the form of 16 bits is known as character stream, or you can say text stream. You can say character stream, or you can say text stream. You can say. Right. Through character stream, we can send text data. Sir, if I send multimedia data like audio, video, image, animation, data loss will come. It is not preferable. So character stream is preferable for text data and not preferable for audio, video, image, animation data because data loss will occur. In real time, we never use character stream. We use only byte stream because it supports all formats. Make a statement. So character stream is preferable. Character stream is preferable for text data and not preferable for audio, video, image, and animation data. Not preferable for audio, video, image, and animation data. Not preferable. All of you got this point, right? Okay. We are using which one now? Byte stream we are using in the market. We never use your character stream. So this is theoretical. This is core Java format. This is core Java. There we'll give a practice for you core Java again. How to work with byte stream with file, character stream with file, classes available in byte stream, classes available in character stream, serialization. In your exception handling chapter, we draw one diagram. The diagram is nothing but throwable implements from serializable will draw a diagram. And in core Java, your wrapper classes, serializable diagram will be there. In your string chapter, string also serializable will be there. That is serializable is IO stream and file. That serialization we explain in core Java. That is core Java syllabus. Here the syllabus is, the stream definition is coming from core, only definition. Remaining all not needed. Okay, right. Here, sir, I am coming from Oracle. No, sir. Oracle data types are available to you. We call it as SQL types. SQL types means SQL data types. That's the meaning actually. So now I returned varchar, error came to me. Means I returning one data type, error came. Why error came? I cannot resolve the error because I don't know what happened in the Oracle. Because I am expert in Java, not in Oracle. No. I don't know the versions available there. Moreover, I'm touching PLSQL. PLSQL is only experts can do. Frankly speaking, nothing wrong there. Because my name is, I'm a trainer in Java. For me, add-on is Oracle. Even if I get it out, I'll go to your Oracle trainers. Whether I'll go to Mr. Vijay Kumar or I'll go to Mr. Ladda. I'll ask them a question. If that, I'll put a message after lunch break. I'll keep a message for them anyway. So this is the problem, and they'll explain to me. Nothing wrong. They'll share. So because they are expert in their own areas. If I have a doubt in my UI technology, I'll speak to Mr. Sudhakar Sharma sir. I'll call Mr. I'll ask him, sir, what happened? If I get a doubt in my C language, I'll speak to Kushore sir. Like this, every expert is there now. Right. If I get a doubt in Python, I'll ask KV Rao sir. He's sitting here. No. So everywhere one expert is there now. So we are all if anybody get a doubt, maybe they'll ask me, I think. Like me, a number of people are there in Java. So frankly speaking, here also, SQL types are available. The following are the SQL types support streams. One is blob, one is clob. Make it. The following are the SQL types support. The following are the SQL types support streams. The following are the SQL types support streams. One is BLOB, blob. One is CLOB, clob. Blob and clob. Blob and clob. Now see there. Right. BLOB stands for binary large objects. Binary large objects, and which support byte stream data. Which support byte stream data. Whenever you load a byte stream onto database, it will load it. Daily for string varchar is coming no. For number is coming no. The same way. For stream who will support means blob will support. That's the meaning of it. Blob advantage is it will support all text, audio, video, image, animation. All you can load into blob. That is advantage of blob. In your projects also we use blob only. Upload. If you take any applications in the market today, if you take group one application, they'll ask them to upload the documents or not now. Upload your documents, scanned documents. The scanned documents, if you upload, they'll store in your database now. When they're storing in the database, that is blob only. SQL type is blob. Of course, among blob categories will be there, and clob will be there. Some other versions will be there. Oracle trainer will give some other versions in blob. We are taking a plain blob. We are taking blob stands for what now? Binary large objects. Why we are taking a plain component means one more expert will come to your project, DB engineer. He will take the table and give to you. Right. So we are taking blob, binary large objects, and which support byte stream data. Then what is clob now here? Sir, CLOB stands for character large objects. Character large objects, and which support character stream data. Which supports character stream data. Right. All of you got it right. Now this is a theoretical. What is stream now? General stream is what now? The continuous flow of data is known as streams. Java supports how many types of streams now? Two types. What are they now? Byte stream, character stream. Byte means what now? 8-bit flow. We call it as byte stream. What is character stream now? 16-bit flow. We call it as character stream. Byte stream supports how many formats now? Text, audio, video, image, animation. So character stream supports what now? Text data. It will support other format also, but data loss will come. That's the meaning. To load byte stream data, what is the data type we are using in Oracle now? Blob. To load character stream, what is the data type now? Glob. You say this in your interview. So we are taking what now? Blob, we are going to use it because very easily we can record the data by using blob. Now I am writing the program. Right. Example program. Construct JDBC application to store image, to store image onto database product. Image onto database product. Our target is loading one image onto database product table indirectly. Right. So construct one table first. Take one DB table. Right. Stream table 52. I'm taking stream tab 52. I'll take ID. I'll take it. I'll take some file. I will take it. So binary file, B file, I will take it. If not multimedia file, M file, I will take it. Some multimedia file, so 2 streams. Multimedia file means you can load anything. You can, I am loading image. You can load anything. File, any other audio clip is there, you can load it. Now see that I am writing. So you have to create table. I forget it. Create table. Table name is stream tab 52, where ID is equal to some varchar 2 of 10 and M file, that is blob, blob. Primary key of ID. This size will not be there now for it because we don't know how much size will come. So size, blob advantages, it takes unlimited data. So that also depends upon your Oracle versions again. Versions are changing and coming. Oracle is not a small thing only. This is the biggest sector, this Oracle. For its data recovery also available, Oracle, because it is popular. Oracle is available in a universities as a course curriculum. And moreover, you take any education sector, Oracle, they'll train it. But Oracle will create more problems to you in connecting and so on. But even then, Oracle is the basic product, part of your databases. So primary key. Table created. So commit. Stream tab. So this is the blob. If you look into this blob now, your size not there. Can you see? Blob. So it is going to record that file there. Whatever you send the file will be recorded there. Okay, right. Now, I am writing the program. I am taking one project. JDBC application 12. I am working with stream 1. I am working. Build path, configure build path, add external jar, OJDBC6, apply and close. Under SRC, new and package, that is test. Click on finish. Under test, I am taking one class, that is DB con12. I am taking like this. Here, import java.sql. This is advanced Java package. Import java.util for scanner class. Okay, right. Today, newly import java.io because stream is coming. Understand? So whenever you work with streams, IO will come. That's called stream package indirectly. In core Java, you not work. Nothing wrong if you don't work also, because your project we are going to do. If you go to any Aadhaar center, they'll ask you to put your thumb impression. The thumb is stream only. The thumb is your stream. That's one. Already you scanned, no? Whenever you are taking Aadhaar card, you scanned or not now? They scanned and kept in the database. Whenever you put it, it will be checking and saying that yes, it is proved. That is a stream input only. Daily one attached file is there now for you. Gmail account, attached file. That attached file is stream only. You are selecting file and uploading, no? So without your knowledge, streams are there. No, sir, today morning also, I kept good morning one coffee cup. That is stream only. Morning you kept no one coffee cup or tea cup. What you kept? That good morning one symbol will come, no? That is stream only. Image is passing, no? So any audio is passing, no, in text messages. Audio messages, video messages. That all streams are flowing on. That stream only. Right here. Scanner. Yes is equal to new scanner of system dot in. Try of S. End of try with resource. Try catch exception e dot print stack trace. Now look here. Now establish the connection first. Establish the database connection. So this is connection. If anybody is having a gap, 2-3 years gap, who are planning to keep some experiences, you start learning any one ORM tool by your own, you can learn it. Hibernate with JPA, you can learn it. 10% of jobs available on Hibernate with JPA. So actually, I am also trainer in Hibernate with JPA. Before Corona, after Corona different, before Corona. Right? So 10% of companies still using Hibernate with any gap people are there. You are planning for any experiences. You got eligibility. Slowly, you can take any tutorial point and you can see with Hibernate with JPA, you can see and slowly read that content and prepare your notes. You will understand. If you are strong in core Java, collection framework, and JDBC up to now. Within 15 days, you can learn with Hibernate with JPA. You can update in your resume also. That much of easy will be there. Why I'm speaking that point means when you are taking Hibernate with JPA also, these 3 lines will be broken into 3 parts. URL, username, password. They are available in the ORM tool. That connection, what I am doing with the JDBC, they'll do connection with the tool. So these 3 are available there also. Now, I want to insert one image, no? Right. So image or whatever it may be, I am using prepared statement. I am not running any procedure here, normal query. So take prepared statement, you take it. Prepared statement, PS is equal to con dot prepared statement. Here insert into stream table 52 values. How many columns are there now? 2 columns are there. So stream table 52, 2 columns are available here. Right. Now, I must set the values or not now. First one is ID. I have to set it. Now, system dot out dot println, enter the ID. ID is string, no? String ID is equal to s dot next line, set it ps dot set string parameter index 1 ID. You understood these 3 lines? You are reading and setting there. Setting means loading. You are not running, no, only loading, no? Right. Now, I'll ask, where is your file? Generally, in the Gmail, if you open your Gmail account, here compose is there now here. Can you see? Right, compose. Here. I want to select a file. Attach file is there now here. I'll click on attach file. It will ask, where is your file? It will ask. My file is in some C drive, sorry, D drive, images example. Where is that? Images. C drive images. Images. Some image I will select. It is attaching here or not now? Here I am selecting. If you know UI technology, you will browse it and you will select it. But I am not running UI technology, no, I am running console. Console means enter. Console means what? Enter the file. System dot out dot println. Here enter file path and file name. Enter your file path and file name. So file path and file name. Enter file path and file name. You have to enter. That we call it as a source. I am asking, where is your file? Enter that path to me. It is in C drive, D drive, F drive. You have to enter it. All of you understood this point, right? Whatever the path you are giving, I am keeping that path. I am keeping that path in one class known as file equal to new file of s dot next line. Whatever you entered a path, I am reading that path. I am creating object for file and I am keeping in this object. The entered path, C drive, E drive, F drive, the path is there, no? The path I will load into this file. Don't worry, I am explaining and writing. Again, I will draw the diagram. Flow. The flow clarity will come because if I draw the diagram only, for me easy will be there. You are coming to core Java now. some 50% load will be decreased for, right? Okay. Now, here, file, I'm keeping in file. Now, the information given by the user, C drive, some images, file name img1481.jpg given a file, information. Now, somebody must go there and open it. No? For that, we had a class known as file input stream. One class is there. File input stream. File input stream. FIS is equal to new file input stream of F, taking that path. File input stream FIS, taking the path. Now from this location, file input stream object created. While object creation constructor is running, in that constructor one logic is available. The logic is nothing but going to C drive and finding the file. The file is available or not, it is going to find it. After finding the file, it connects the file. To get the data, it connects the file. Whatever the connection established now you set it. PS dot set binary stream. Set binary stream. See there. Set binary stream. I am setting or not now? Set binary stream. 1 minute. Set binary stream. I had a method here, set string. Here what now? Set binary stream. What is the parameter index now? 2. Now the stream is coming from which location now? FIS. Sir, I want its length. To find the length now, F dot length. One method is there. You have to convert into long. No problem. F dot length is converting. See there. Now, set binary stream. The meaning of this total line is, I am asking the user to enter the file location where it is available. He entered. I kept the location in one object. From that location, using that file input stream, I connected that file. That information I am giving to this method. Now, whenever I say int k is equal to ps dot execute update. I am writing execute update or not now, right? Execute update means insert it. Now the data is inserted. The data is inserted. If that k value greater than 0, you can say image inserted to database successfully. System dot out dot println here image inserted to database successfully. We done it. It's a concept. All of you understood this? Can I run this now? Right. I'll explain with the diagram once again to you. Run this. I am running. Enter the ID. So some M101. I'm running. Enter the file path and file name. So file path and file name. So this is the file path. You have to select it. I'm giving a path. See the path now. C colon images img 1417.jpg. Image inserted to database successfully. Now go and check in the database. Select star from stream tab 52. That image recorded. Your expected color or what now? Color will not be there. SQL command line now, why color will come? That only one student asked your Oracle trainer, Vijay Kumar. One student asked, sir, why color not coming? SQL command, how why color will come? If you want to photograph, you have to get back again. That is only storage, no? It is storing the data. It is storing the data in the form of a stream. Understood this point or not now? It is in the form of a stream. The data is stored there. M10, when you cannot see the color there, not possible. It is a command line, no, it's not possible. Okay, right. So recorded. So data is available there. So what is the program here now? Sir, program I taken dbcon 12 dot java, and this is the output. You select your own image there and record it. Right. Can I retrieve the file once? Right. Both you can do. 10-15 minutes, I'll write it. Tomorrow combinedly, I'll draw the diagram. Get right. See, I'm retrieving. So construct JDBC application to retrieve the file back again. JDBC application to retrieve. RETRIEV. Retrieve image from database product based on ID. The point. The program. We are writing the program in a reverse format. M101 we are writing. Right. See there. JDBC application 13. I am working with stream program 2. I am working. In the stream program 2, right click, build path, configure build path, add external jars, open, apply and close. Take one package, test, click on finish and delete. Under this dbcon 13, we're taking dbcon 13, I'm taking. Right, again, import java.sql, import java.util, import java.io. Scanner S is equal to new scanner of system.in try of S, end of try with resource, try catch, exception E dot print stack trace. Here establish the connection. Establish the connection. Right here, prepared statement PS is equal to con dot prepared statement. Here, select star from stream table 52, where ID is equal to, based on ID you have to retrieve it. Now here system dot out dot println, enter the ID. Now string ID is equal to s dot next line ps dot set string of parameter index 1 ID. Select query means result set. No, result set rs is equal to ps dot execute query. How many records means only one record will be there on the result set. So if rs dot next, you can say else invalid ID. So system dot out dot println, you can say invalid ID, you can say. Right. If it is true, I am introducing blob b is equal to rs dot get blob of column number 2. The new thing, I'll explain it. Do you remember byte? Your primitive data types categorized into how many types now? 4 types. 4 you must say. What is the first one now? Integer. What is the second one now? Float. What is the third one now? Character. What is the fourth one? Boolean. Integer how many types now? 4 types. What are they now? Byte, short, int, long. Today, that byte is coming. Because byte stream, to hold byte stream, byte will come. To hold character stream, short will come. That's the concept. So byte by, I'm taking one array. One array, I declaring with byte equal to b dot get bytes. One method is there. One here. Here b dot length. Convert into integer. You have to convert the point. Now the stream I converted into byte array. The stream has been converted into byte array. I'll draw the diagram anyway, don't worry. Now you have to load it. To load that, system dot out dot println. Enter file path and file name. For destination. Destination means the stream is coming back where I should store it. That's called destination. You have to give the information where I should store it. I want you to store it in D drive images. Here it is empty, no? In this empty folder, you have to store back. So here I want to store it. D drive images, you want to store it. Now here, whatever you entered, file F is equal to new file of s dot next line. We are keeping that file path there. Whatever I entered, I'm going to keep there. Now, file output to stream. One class is there. File output stream. FOS is equal to a new file output to stream. Here we are giving F. First program file input stream. This one file output stream. I'll give the clarity. I'll give the definition also. Okay, right. Now here file output stream means it create one file actual new file creation. So new file creation is going to do. Whatever you created there, FOS dot write byte, BY, you're going to write it. Whatever the byte array is there, I'm going to record into file output stream. Now you can say system dot out dot print ln. You can say file image, if not image retrieved successfully. Retrieved successfully, you can say. This is a point. If you want to close it, you can close FOS dot close, you can do. So whenever you want to close it, you can close this close. Now let me check it whether it is working or not once. Now, what is the file name I given there? M101. Okay, right. Now run it. ID M101. Destination is C drive, images XYZ dot JPG. Means I am asking to bring that stream and load into XYZ dot JPG. This XYZ dot JPG not available in this folder actually. Sir, what happens now? File output stream will create file. It only will create one new file known as XYZ.jpg file created. Whatever the stream is coming, it loads into that. That's the meaning of file output stream. Let us see whether it happens or not. You run it. Image retrieved successfully. Go to D drive images. Images. File retrieved now here. XYZ.jpg. The file came back. Actually, in real time, the file will come to web browser now. Your profile pics are coming now. In the real time for you, when you go for Facebook's posts are coming or not now. If you want to share the image should not come to the drive now. In servlet programming, we take the image from the database and we put it onto web page. Web page, you know how to put it. Yes, sir, no, na. You are learning UI technology correctly and coming no. Right, you have to learn it. Images, putting division tags, that all you should learn correctly. So here for demo purpose, I am bringing the data and putting onto some drive and showing to you. But actually we never put it onto drive now, sir. When I am working on any profile pic, they'll come onto the exam. Again, I should open Flipkart only or what? Again, Flipkart only, sir. Because images are coming there only, no. These are all images, no. These images are coming onto web browser or coming onto my driver. Web browser only they are coming. They'll come from web browsers only. So always mobiles only. These images are coming, no. They are coming from database only. From database, they'll come and put in. This all you know now how to create this image. That page you know how to create. Louder. You should know. If not today, you practice from today onwards. This kind of page I also should design, sir. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular is on the way. So Angular is the answer. I must design this page. If you can design this page, then your time has been saved. I attended 2 months UI technology, sir. I unable to create this one. 2 months you wasted, no? In OneDrive and showing to you. Just to demo purpose. Taking one image and keeping in database. Bringing that image and storing into OneDrive and showing back. All have understood? This program you try to execute and come. Tomorrow I'll run this program to you completely for you. Program is tbcon. .java. Right. This point, right. Take a break for today. I'll upload the notes in your 2 Google Classrooms. I'll upload it. Okay, right. So thank you very much. Tomorrow.